York is a historic city located in northern England. It has a population of over 200,000 people and is the county town of North Yorkshire. York is known for its rich history, which dates back to Roman times, and its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the famous York Minster cathedral. The city is also a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year with its history, culture, and heritage. In recent years, York has undergone significant development with the growth of its economy, culture, and infrastructure, making it a thriving and vibrant city. The city is also home to many other historic buildings and structures, such as the Clifford's Tower, the city walls, and the National Railway Museum. York has a rich cultural heritage reflected in its many museums, galleries, and cultural events. The city is known for its arts and literature, as well as its rich history and heritage. York is a thriving economic hub with a strong and diversified economy based on tourism, manufacturing, and technology. The city is home to many major companies and has a growing startup scene. York is a major center of education, with several universities and colleges, including the University of York and York's John University. The city is also home to a number of international students and academic researchers. York is well connected to the rest of the UK and the world, with good road and rail links, as well as a major international airport. The city is a hub of the UK railway network and has a rich history of railway innovation and development. York is well connected to the rest of the UK and the world, with good road and rail links, as well as a major international airport. The city is a hub of the UK railway network and has a rich history of railway innovation and development. York has a rich Roman heritage, with many remains of Roman buildings and structures still visible in the city today. The city was originally founded as the Roman fortress city of Eboracum and played an important role in the Roman Empire. York is known for its many festivals and events, including the York Festival of Food and Drink, the York Early Music Festival, and the York Mystery Plays. These events celebrate the city's rich cultural heritage and attract visitors from around the world. York is known for its many festivals and events, including the York Festival of Food and Drink, the York Early Music Festival, and the York Mystery Plays. These events celebrate the city's rich cultural heritage and attract visitors from around the world. York is a popular shopping destination, with a range of shopping options from high street brands to independent shops and markets. The city is home to many historic shopping arcades and covered markets, as well as modern shopping centers and malls. York is a popular shopping destination, with a range of shopping options from high street brands to independent shops and markets. The city is home to many historic shopping arcades and covered markets, as well as modern shopping centers and malls. York is known for its rich history and heritage, and many visitors enjoy taking part in ghost walks and ghost tours of the city. These walks explore the city's many haunted buildings and streets and are a popular and entertaining way to learn about York's history and legends. York is renowned for its historic architecture, including the York Minster, which is one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Europe. The city is also home to several historic churches, such as St. Michael's Church and Holy Trinity Church, and many historic buildings, such as the Merchant Adventurers Hall. York is a major economic center with a strong economy based on tourism, education, and finance. York was occupied by the Vikings in the 9th century and became an important center of Viking culture and commerce. The city was known as Jorvik and was one of the most important cities in the Viking kingdom of Northumbria. York was an important center of medieval England and was home to several key events, including the Battle of Towton during the Wars of the Roses. The city was also home to several key figures, including Richard Ivy and Henry, who both visited the city. York is famous for its local cuisine, including dishes such as Yorkshire pudding, rhubarb crumble, and parkin cake. The city is also home to several microbreweries, producing a range of local ales and beers, as well as a thriving food and drink scene, with many restaurants and cafes serving local and international cuisine. York is a vibrant cultural center with a thriving arts and cultural scene, including music, theater, dance, and visual arts. The city is home to several festivals and events throughout the year, including the York Literature Festival, the York Food and Drink Festival, and the York Early Music Festival. York is home to several sports clubs and facilities, including the York City Football Club and the York Cricket Club, as well as several parks and open spaces, making it a great place for outdoor activities and sports. The city is also home to several sports facilities, including the York Sports Village and the University of York Sports Centre. York is a great place for shopping, with a range of high street shops, boutiques, and independent shops, as well as several markets, including the York Market and the Shambles Market. The city is also home to several shopping centres, including the Coppergate Shopping Centre and the Monkbar Shopping Centre.